is a match. What will it do for your travel? Awful gas into a something pleasing. Hello guys, so this travel season, I'm gonna share to you top things that I should bring during travel. First, you need a backpack, a very durable backpack. I use North Face router. This is not a sponsored video from any. I just want to share what the things that I'm bringing along during travel to be prepared for anything. This season, a lot of you are excited for the travel. Then you might miss out some of the things that I will mention. So first thing, let's start with a backpack. I'm using a North Face router, big laptop bag. It has a very great compartment for the laptop separate. So when you travel abroad, laptop compartment will separated from your other things. So it will spread like this, leaving your laptop here. A 17-inch laptop will fit a router easily. This is a good backpack if you're traveling international and you're bringing along a laptop. And a lot of compartment here in the router. It has many zippers, and although it doesn't have any lock, but you can still carry this as a hand carry. It will fit the aircraft cabin. That's the backpack I usually bring, thanks to my office mate. He made me bought this laptop discounted. Okay, next are the power banks. So I usually bring power banks. So this is a 40,000 milliamperes. This is for the mobile phones and the other gadgets. While this, I also bring a Bravin 65 watts just to power my laptop. If you're on the go, you need a power bank for a laptop. Since my laptop has a Type-C connector, it can easily connect with this. Just to add more juice for my laptop. When you're on the go, you must be ready. Pocket Wi-Fi, yes, you need this. Also 2 ports, while this Bravin has a Type-C. 2 power banks, umbrella. You need to bring an umbrella. This size, you can hand carry it in the aircraft. But for the full size umbrella, they won't allow you to carry it from the mobile tripod. Just to take selfies or vlogging. Good pair of cans or headphones. So these are in-ear, so you can isolate. You can also use this as a headset for your laptop, or during the meeting, it also has a built-in mic to prepare for the meetings and to isolate the noise. So these are cans, very good cans. Also bring this mobile phone holder. This is to pair with the tripod. You can also shoot vertical, hold your phone vertically or horizontal. Deodorant, bonus yan. Scissor. By the way, it's if you're traveling on an airplane, scissors are not allowed, should be checked in. So hand carries, scissors are optionals. I use this kind of chargers, a multi-port 65 watts charger. So one AC with a long cord and multiple USB ports. This is to just simply simplify the charging of the gadgets, cameras and the gadgets. Helpful piece of device that I would recommend, as long as it has enough power to charge the laptop, power banks and other gadgets. And then I use also a USB to LAN. Since my laptop doesn't have a LAN port, this is a very useful tool. If you're having issues with the Wi-Fi in your network in your hotel, LAN would be a great option. Good, stable internet connection. So I also bring LAN cable. I couldn't find the LAN cable. And a laptop stand for working anywhere. It's a must because this one has an option to tilt your laptop. Much better view and much cooler, very longer. Okay. Mouse are very essentials during work anywhere. Also a wired headset with a USB. This one is used for the meetings. Aside from the cans, these are great for music, but these are great for meetings because the microphone is near your mouth. Don't forget a very good extension wire. Some of the hotels have limited AC outlets. Extension wire for the AC. You're also saving AC port using this. The charger, and also I use a bag, an organized bag where I put all my chargers for my gadgets. And also a card reader. This is a universal card reader. US has CF, PF, SD card. All sorts of card can be read through this. I bought a USB to Type-C so I can transfer my files from the card reader to my phone and upload it directly. So yan. And batteries. This one. So this is a match. What will it do for your travel? Thanks to my Ninong Ward, shout out for sharing his thoughts regarding the mat. Will burn the methane in your CR. So if you're sharing with somebody with CR, then he poops, then the smell stays there. Just burn a single match for it and the smell will be gone. It will be replaced with a smoke, or all the methanes that stays there will be burned. Converts the awful gas into a something pleasing, but it's still methane converted into fire. Yes, that's the travel bag. Wait, I also use this kind of travel organizer bag to pack my clothes. The boxer, the t-shirt, the jersey, and yeah, everything. So this one goes in the bag directly, so it won't have, you don't need to get one by one. You just need to pull the bag for the clothes. That's the bag. See you guys. Thank you. And keep safe on your travel. Please don't throw anything in the ocean, anything in the environment. Protect the planet as long as possible because we only have a single planet. These things that I'm sharing to you will be valuable for your travel, for your next travel. Thank you guys and see you around.